Hello, I'm Jeremy, and I just want to take a quick moment to show you how you can enable captions on any of your videos you created with Screencastify. The good news is this process is fairly straightforward and simple. So as you can see, right now I have pulled up a video of a read aloud I made of Aesop's Fables, The Lion and the Mouse. The first thing I'm going to do on this right hand side is go to captions here. From captions here, all I have to do is click generate for me, and we'll give our video a moment to process while our captions are being generated. All right, so now that my captions are done, all I have to do is I'll first pause my video so my audio stops. And as you can see now, I do have complete captions for my recording. I can see them all here. And now I can pass this on to any of my students, let's say my English language learners, and have them read aloud to practice their fluency.